Students, I am going to show you how to find the angle sum property of a triangle. That means 2-3 different methods. In that method we can prove the angle sum property of the triangle is 180 degree. That means the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So first I will show you by one paper cutting method. This is one triangle. Okay, so here I can give the names of the triangle as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. These are the three angles of this triangle. Now what I will do here, one straight line is what? 180 degree. This is called what? Straight angle. So here if this point is O, at the point this angle is 180 degree. So now I will show you what is the relation between this straight angle and these three angles of the triangle. Now this is triangle and we can cut the angles at the corner, all the three angles we can cut it. Angle 3, now angle 1 and here angle 2. So here I have now three angles of that triangle. Now I will show you what is the relation between these three triangle and this straight angle. So here with the help of a glue I can stick them at the point O, because we know at the point this angle is what? Straight angle. So here first angle is 1, so this one is 1, now second is 2, now third one is 3. And if you will see here, these three angles are merged together edge to edge. That means it completely covers the portion of the angle, that is how much? Straight angle 180 degree. It means sum of these three angles is what? 180 degree. So with the help of paper cutting method we come to know that the angle 1, 2 and 3 were what? Three angles of a triangle. So these three angles sum is how much? 180 degree, because this angle is how much? 180 degree. Now another method is there with the help of a inequality property of a triangle. We know in a triangle this angle is called what? Exterior angle. If these three angles will be 1, 2 and 3, according to exterior angle property of a triangle we know the measure of a exterior angle equals to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now if we will talk about angle 1, 2 and 3 are the three angles or interior angles of the triangle. Now 4 is what? Exterior angle of this triangle, and we know according to the inequality property of the triangle angle 4 is equal to the sum of the angle 1 and 2. This is what? Exterior angle property. This will be equation number 1. Now as we know 3 and 4, these both are lying on one line, that's why they are called what? Linear pair angles, and linear pair angles will be always supplementary. Like here how? Three angle sum is 180 degree, because they both, all three are lying on one line. So here also this two angle sum will be 180 degree because they both are lying on one line. So here we know angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree, implies can we put the value of angle 4 in this? So angle 3 in the place of angle 4 we can write angle 1 and 2 equal to 180 degree, and we can arrange like this: angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. This is what? Second method. Now we can go for the third method, that is what? Parallel line method. Let's check. What is parallel line method? Now this is one triangle A, B and C. Interior angles are what? 1, 2 and 3. Now by making parallel to BC, another line can be drawn here at the point A. Let's take P and Q is the line parallel to BC. So we can write here PQ line parallel to BC line segment. Then we can talk about this line. We know if these two lines are parallel and this one is the transversal, line L and line M, and transversal is T. So the angle made by this one and this one both are called what? Interior alternate angles. So when these two lines are parallel, then interior alternate angles will be what? Equal. This is what theorem says. So here these two angles are equal. So here this is angle 2 and here we have not written any angle, but this line, two lines are parallel, so this one is a transversal. So the angle 2 can be drawn here, angle 2, because these both are what? Equal. Same way this line PQ and this line BC both are parallel to each other. Now third one is what? AC is the transversal. So the angle here and the angle here both will be what? Equal, because this is transversal. So we can take 3 here, then here also 3. Now if you will see here on the line PQ, 3 angles are here, 1, 2 and 3. That means sum of these 3 angles will be how much? 180 degree. So we can write that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. So by 3 different methods we can prove that the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is only called the angle sum property of the triangle. Got it? Thank you everyone.